It's 2 a.m. The winds have been howling all night. It's the second time I've been up to fix the stakes. So we have a couple stakes loose. I'm gonna have to go outside and fix them again, and I just hope that this tent like holds up. He's kind of nervous, so I'm just gonna go and try to fix this and just try to sleep for the rest of the night. I hope the winds die down. They're not really supposed to. I don't know if I need different stakes or what, but like, I don't know. This tent isn't holding up to the wind as like I thought it would. It's part of what it takes to be living out here, is just to be able to, you know, get over it. Well, it's starting to snow out there. So I secured, you know, a couple stakes came out, a couple floor stakes came out. A lot of the guy lines were loose. So I just did my best to secure the tent, and I hope it holds up. I think it's going to be another one of those sleepless nights. The wind is just howling there. You can just feel it in the trees. I'm thinking about getting better stakes, maybe, like, or staking it down, like, better somehow. I don't know. I would really like this tent to be able to just hold up to any conditions, but so far the wind is kind of taking it down. Good morning. Last night, I did not sleep very well. I thought the tent was gonna blow over. It's supposed to be pretty windy today, so I brought the stove in here. It's hard to be in the wind. I was thinking about it last night. Like, I would prefer being in the rain or the heat. The snow. The wind for me is just the hardest. It's the hardest to like live in. This is one of the most beautiful campsites I've ever been to. Yeah, last night was rough, but you kind of have to put up with that stuff to be in beautiful places like this.